Hey guys, welcome back to the Caster channel. So today I'm going to show you how to delete your Google account. Okay, so there may be a lot of reasons why you want to delete your Google account. Maybe you've been hacked and you're pissed off and you want to just you're done with Google. Or maybe you created an email that you don't like and you want to maybe recreate another one. Okay, there could be a lot of reasons why. Okay, but I'm gonna show you how to do it properly. Okay, so guys, there will be a link below this video. Please go and click that. So once you click that link, it's gonna take you to this page. Okay, now as you can see, I'm already logged in here with my Caster Repair email. So if I click on delete Google account, there'll be a chat will pop out here. Let me close this one. Okay, so basically they want to know if this is the email that I want to delete. Okay, so if it's okay, just say yes. If not, there will be, if you say no, okay, let me just say no so you guys can see how it works. So they're gonna allow you to sign in with another account. So you just go there, you just click here, and you're gonna be able to sign in with that account. Okay, so let me come back here and actually let me X out of here and then do like this again. Then it's gonna ask me again if this is the email that I want to delete, the account. So you just say yes. Okay, so once you say yes, well, please read this because it talks about your data. Okay, it's gonna be gone. Photos, it's gonna be gone. All right, but if you click here, right? If you click here, let's do it. All right, so it's now gonna verify it if it's you. So let me cancel that out. So it verifies if it's you, then it will proceed to delete the account for you. But you're gonna still be able to recover that account. All right. If you made a mistake, I think you have like 48 hours. Okay, but it could be more. Please make sure you don't need that email anymore, that account anymore before you actually delete it. All right. Like I said, if you change your mind, you're gonna be able to recover it, but I don't know how long it will take. Okay, if you let it sit there for a month, then you come back, it might not work. Okay, so you might want to regret maybe in the next, I say, few hours to a few hours. Yes, let me just say that so you are safe. Okay, so guys, make sure you do want to delete before you proceed to doing this. Okay, so there you go. That's how you delete a Google account. Simple as that. So guys, please use the link below. It's gonna take you to the delete this account page, and all you got to do is click on this blue button right here and you're gonna be on your way. All right, so guys, please hit that like button, the subscribe button also if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.